Hello again, welcome back to the channel. My name is Professor Ken, and today we are going to attempt to repair a Kohler toilet which uses a canister valve assembly. So let's do this. But hang on, before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. We will try to personally respond to all your comments the best we can. Please also consider supporting this channel through Patreon. Your help would be greatly appreciated, and you will need a Kohler canister gasket replacement part GP1059291, and this gasket will fit perfectly within the lip at the bottom of the canister. No tools are required, just a strong hand and a grip to twist the central locking stem of the canister valve assembly. You will also hear my then 6-year-old daughter commenting in the background. It's awesomely cute. With the old gasket failing, causing a leak between the canister tower and the base, it's time to replace the gasket. This gasket below is broken, and it's coming off the shaft. This is right here. So, as a result, we have to replace that gasket. As you can see, because the gasket's been dislodged, it no longer. Because the gasket's been dislodged, it no longer fills with water because it creates a gap between the base and the shaft. So this flushing cord doesn't do anything. So the idea is to turn off the water. Once the water's been shut off, you grab the center piece here and you turn counterclockwise. It's tough, but you got to do it. So once it does, this piece comes off. So you can see that once it's off, you could remove the existing.
That's the old one.
The existing gasket, which is quite worn, and then you're gonna replace it with this.
New one.
Oh, there we go. So this is the Kohler GP1059291. It's the yellow gasket, and you can see you can take the old red one and put it right on top. So now you know it's the right one. So you take this, you take it off.
The red one is the old one because we use it every day. Right, Papa?
Yes. So you can see that there's some residual gasket that's left. So what you want to do is take an old toothbrush and just brush it off.
Ew, disgusting. Do not use mine because I'm going to be crying.
So try to get as much of the old gasket off as you can, so that you can still make a good seal. There we go. Now the old gasket's off. Now, you gotta clean on this side too. You can see that. So yeah.
The old guys, when we use something, I use the gas to clean the toilet. Water.
Now that's all done.
So I make all clean again.
These are the instructions on the back of the. Zoom out a little bit here. So can you guys see that? That's the instructions. So super. So now I have to put on remove the old gasket. Remove the casing.
I can touch it because I will make my hands dirty.
Which is that. What you do is there's a lip that the gasket goes around. That's the lip. So you take one side, you grasp it, and you just pull it along so it seats properly, and boom, gasket's on. All right. So at the bottom, this is rod. Okay, the way that the rod looks like, it looks like this. All right. You can see that it looks like a little arrowhead with two flanges on both sides, and you want to aim that for this, which is, I'm going to zoom in. Can you see that this has arrowheads on it? So you want to try to align that arrowhead to that thing over there. So you can push this down so it can help you aim a little better. So you take this, you put the arrowhead like so, down, and because you turn clockwise, counterclockwise to unscrew it, you're going to turn clockwise. There we go. Clockwise. And then turn on the water. Zoom out.
So now you know how to fix a toilet. Well, actually you can make your hands dirty a little. Well, you still have to wash your hands. And when the water's actually full, you can use it again. When it's dirty again, you can clean it again. But you have to pass a long day to fix again. Even if you pass my birthday before we fix it.
So, it looks like the seal's working. The toilet is filling back up again. So it works. So we're going to flush the toilet. It works perfectly. The seal works. And that's how you change the gasket at the bottom of the cylinder.
Yes. How you do is you have to fix it first before then you can pour more water in it. Well, it's actually not for drinking. Well, some people just drink it. That's disgusting.
No, you're not going to drink this water.
Yeah. Also, when the water's fully full, we can use it again.
And if you could hear it, there's no water leaking. You don't hear the water leaking into the toilet. So that's how you fix it.
Please, do you love this video, then subscribe this video and give us the thumbs up and get ready for fixing your toilet. I hope so you enjoyed this video and be happy. Subscribe.